All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here actually in Seneca County. Check this location out, beautiful. Just talking to the owner here, and boy, you can see this. Look at this backdrop of the trees. It had to remove trees, and it cost quite a bit of money, but you know, beautiful, beautiful setting. But hey, in this video, I want to just share with you early stages of this 32 by 40, 14 foot tall. It's going to be used for storage. Guy's got some storage, but let's talk about what he did here. I don't think we've covered this in videos, but if you look at the ground contact board there, this is important as far as your nail pattern. You know, when you're going into a 3-ply, which just is right here, you want to stagger your nails. You don't want to have a straight line. See that, how we stagger those nails as we go into 3-ply laminated columns. And you can see over here, same thing. You want to stagger. You want to stagger these nails, and that way, again, a stronger grip as well. But you can see on this building, we use a 3-ply laminated column. Again, this is state of Ohio, so per code, we got to drill down 54 inches. And then what we do is we set this on a 16-inch concrete cookie down there in the hole there. And you can see we backfill this with 411 stone, not dirt, but 411 stone. All right, and then we use, for you guys doing it at home there, you want to use 2x6. Well, I mean, you can do this, but for uplifts, that way to keep this post in the ground, an uplift. But we use a 2x6. How we do it, we cut 2x6 treated lumber. We run it east and west, and then also north and south. But again, this is a ground contact #1 grade. Okay, we don't use 2x8 tongue and groove. Only way we'll do a 2x8 tongue and groove if we need to get up but it's all #1 stuff, because again, this is hitting the ground, as you can see here. But a 2x8, if we need to bring this site up, if it's in a kind of a, you know, whopper jolt site, we'll put 2x8s together, and that way it'll bring it up flush. We need what we got to do. But you can see the grade actually on this building right here is pretty doggone good. You can see it's pretty flush. So concrete will be, you know, you won't have to bring in a lot more stone here. You can see how this is compacted pretty well. But the guys here putting up the double top beam here. Okay, all our trusses are 4 foot on center. You can see our trusses are laid out right here, but they're prepping this up, and then they're gonna roll the trusses up. So some steps to take here, but just a few things. But look at this beautiful setting out here in nature's God's land out here. So, but like the video, boom, give it a thumbs up. Until the next one, keep it locked and loaded right here. Attica Lumber. All right, Attica Lumber since 1925.